Are you ready to sell a home? Here's a secret. Cleanliness is your best friend. Welcome to TidyTex Home Cleaning, where we believe a spotless home can make all the difference. As a proud, veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we specialize in helping realtors prepare homes for sale. Picture this: a sparkling, clean space that not only attracts buyers, but makes them feel right at home. When buyers walk into a well-organized, pristine property, they see potential, and that emotional connection can lead to faster deals. We understand the urgency of quick turnarounds, so whether it's for an open house or a last-minute showing, TidyTex is here to make homes shine. And here's a tidy tip for realtors. Before a showing, open all the blinds and turn on the lights. A bright, inviting space helps buyers envision themselves living there. Ready to elevate your listings? TidyTex can help you transform spaces and close deals quicker. Don't let dirt be the deal breaker. Check the video description for more details and contact us today. Our website, phone number, and email are all right there for you.